So I have this function, print current date, that returns a string representing the current date, where each value is separated by a forward slash. What I'd like to do is recreate this string in such a way that I don't have to worry about the spaces involved in between each string and variable, as it can be a little difficult to get the spacing just right to create the string and output to look like the following. I can use ES6 template literal strings to help me do this. So what I can do is wrap the entire string I want to create in backticks. And then for each variable, I can use string interpolation by wrapping them in a $sign and open and closing brackets. And then now I can simply remove unnecessary plus sign and quotation marks and finish my string. Now my string looks a lot cleaner than what we had before. And just to verify, I'll rebuild and run my code. And there it is. So in summary, we learned how to use template literals to write strings that are a lot cleaner than what we previously had by using backticks and string interpolation to wrap our variables.